Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import and export product brands to WooCommerce. Let's get started. So you can see in here that I have two brands right here, and I have these two options as well for export and import. So you can only have this if you install this particular plugin, which is Perfect Brands for WooCommerce. So you can also have this WooCommerce brands right here. So let's head back right here and then let's try to export them. Click on this export options, and then as you can see right here, this will load, and you can see in here a download for that. So when you head over and open this particular file, you can see that you won't be able to open it unless you have the privileged file. Now you can also import brands. Click on this right here, and then just locate the file that you have downloaded, which is this one, and click on open right here. And as you can see, this will load, and this will import the brand that you have added in this case. Once you have done that, they will be added right there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.